that's hot. Singe some arm hairs off. This is an air duster, or at least that's what they call it, from Roedix. It's a pretty fun little device. We're gonna put it through its paces, so buckle up, here we go. Let's unbox this. Looks like we've got a brush type attachment, USB charging cord. Here's the duster itself, and some documentation. Turning it on is pretty darn simple. There's a little button right down here, and you push that, and the lights light up, and then you just slide this switch. That's got some power. If it wasn't obvious, this slider switch is like a dimmer switch, and it will infinitely vary the speed of the unit and how much air it produces. It's hard to put into perspective how much air this thing moves. It's kind of insane. We've got the hallway right here. Got a piece of toilet paper. I don't know if you can see, but it's still flapping in the breeze down there. Let's get the tape measure and see how far that blew. There's the end of the tape measure. And coming back to where we were blowing here at the step. And it blew at a good 8 feet. So it's got some power. You know, there are some classic ways to use a device like this. Keyboard. Got your smoke detectors, and they tend to collect like spider webs and stuff. This is the dust filter from my computer, and I don't know if you can see, it is pretty darn caked with dust. That is much improved. So of course, it dusts things very, very well. I found a good use case for the brush attachment. I use an electric razor. It always gets gummed up with stuff, right? It's time to empty that for sure. Clean as a whistle. That worked great, and that did actually require a little bit of brushing to get it fully clean, so that's a great use case. And I like to think outside the box a little bit with a device like this. It says air duster, but hey, if you're gonna spend good money on this, you might as well put it to good use other ways. Don't you just hate it when the party's over and you gotta blow out the candles? Well, why don't you make it easy and just use a machine to blow it out? Piece of cake. You're unloading your dishwasher. We've all been here before where you've got something that's, collected a big puddle of water. So typically, you get it out and dump it into, your sink or whatever, and then you have to get the dish towel. Well, what if you could just dump it into your sink like that, and then get your trusty blower. I'd say that worked pretty darn good. How about when your blow dryer doesn't work? You could always use the little air duster. Ah, man. Don't you hate it when you have just the single item in the washer that's wet? Well, we can dry it.
2,000 years later.
Definitely do not recommend doing that. YouTube will censor this if you saw behind the camera, so I won't show you, but what if you just got out of the shower and didn't have a towel? Well, this would work great. It's a little chilly though. We're up in the beautiful mountains. Got the stream running down there. It's perfect for a fire. Let's see what this air duster can do with a campfire. Let's add a little air. Oh yeah, look at that. Just nice, gentle. Can you hear that fire? Just drinking up the air. Oh yeah, watch it grow. Nice. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's like you added gasoline to the fire. Just some air. Oh, this thing's the bomb. How about a little more air? Oh. We won't say that our fire is more epic than the neighbors down there. That's just a huge smoke mess. They need one of these Roedix Air Dusters to blow their fire. Let's test the long range effect of this. So we're 6 feet away. See if we can blow it from here. Oh yeah. Check it out. Oh, wow. 3 feet away. That's as close as I can get without absolutely dying of heat. This thing is hot. Let's make it hotter. Oh yeah. Oh, whoa. Gotta step back. That is hot. We have an innocent third party here. Genuine results. And the results, what do you think?
That's pretty amazing. That is sick. That's hot. That's insane.
We're gonna have a picnic here, and instead of having to wait an hour or something for your fire to burn down and get ready to roast your hot dogs or whatever, we're gonna be ready in like 10 minutes. So the fire has officially died down a bit, still plenty warm, but we want to get this thing rip-roaring again. Usually when you start putting wood on, you get a whole bunch of smoke and nastiness. I think this is gonna be the game changer for that. Let's see. Alright, starting out gentle. Got some good embers going, a little bit of smoke. Oh, I see flames. They're growing quickly. Smoke is dissipating. Oh yeah. Yeah, gotta step back. It is hot, but thankfully the Roedix has a long reach, powerful stream of air. Oh yeah. From just kind of dead coals to a roaring blaze.
That's awesome.
Yeah, let's go more. Why not? Oh, that's hot.
Oh.
That, I think, singed some arm hairs off. So yeah, I would say this definitely excels in fire blowing capability. This is going straight into my camping / picnic kit. Leave a comment down below so that we can hear your thoughts and ideas for how you think a device like this could be used. I love hearing from all of you. You have so many great ideas and awesome thoughts to share. I love to read them all, and I do try to read them all, and I tried to respond to all of them as well. So please consider leaving us a comment, and if you like us playing with fire, don't forget to give us that thumbs up, hit the like button, and please consider subscribing because you won't want to miss the next time we do something as epic as this. And we'll catch y'all next time.